To schedule downtime to turn on or turn off automatically on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on screen time. Next, we go down in here, tap on downtime. Then I'm going to tap on ignore downtime into schedule. And then we tap on schedule to turn it on. After that, you can choose to apply this schedule to every day or customize days. So let's say we want to only schedule from Monday to Friday. So I go into Sunday and I'll turn it off and then tap on done. I'll go on to Sunday and I'll turn that off as well and then tap on done. So we will start to schedule on Monday. So on Monday, we'll schedule from 10 and then to 7 a.m. You can choose to 6 a.m. if you wanted to for Monday. And for Tuesday, you can customize the time. So you need to go in here and customize a time for each of the days in the list here. After that, you can tap on the back key and that's it. So now we have set a schedule. During the schedule time, downtime will automatically turn on and automatically switch off. And that is how you can set a downtime schedule on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.